Good morning, students. So today I will discuss representing real numbers on the number line. Okay. So real numbers here, decimal numbers we will represent on the number line. Okay. So this is also called successive magnification. Okay. The process of visualization of representing of numbers on the number line through a magnifying glass is the process of successive magnification. So magnifying glass, why we need magnifying glass? Because after decimal, if after decimal one digit, okay, means after decimal if two or three digits are given, then without magnifying glass we cannot identify these decimal numbers. Okay, after decimal one digit we can represent on the number line exactly, but more than one digit after decimal, so that also we can represent, but their smaller part also we have to divide. So how to do this, you see here. Okay, so two questions given in exercise 1.4. Okay, so visualize 3.765, okay, on the number line using successive magnification. So first you see that this number lie between, so 3 after decimal first digit you see. Okay, so means this number is lying between 3 and 4. Okay, so 3 and 4, this distance divide in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So 3.7. So distance between them, okay, what will be? So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So there one part what will be? So 1 divided by 10 means 0.1. Means this first part 0.1 means 3.1, 3.2 like that. So 3.7 means 7 part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 3.7. But this number is given 3.7. After that also some digits means more than 3.7. So it will lie between 3.7 and their next number 3.8. Okay. Then in next 3.7 and 3.8. Okay. So find distance between them. So 3.8 minus 3.7 is equal to 0.1. So this 0.1 divided by 10. So 0.01. Clear? So again, this distance divide in 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So one part that will be equal to 0.01. Okay. So in 3.7 you add 0.01. So that will be 3.71. So 3.7273, 74756. Second digit you see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means this will be 3.76. And after second digit also one number means this more than this. So 3.76 and 3.77. So in third step, so about this distance, I was talking that by magnifying glass means 3.7 and 3.8, between them only one division on the scale. So that one division you have to divide in 10 equal parts. So that we can see by magnifying glass. Okay. So 3.76 and 3.77. So distance between them what will be? 3.77 minus 3.76 is equal to 0.01. So 0.01 divided by 10. So 0.001. So again divide is 10 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So one part that will be equal to 0.001. So here 5 means 5 parts. 1, So this first part what will be 3.761, 762, 763, 764, 765 exactly. After that no digit, so stop here. So 3.765. So after decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So in how many steps? 1, 2, 3. Then question number 2. So second one, 4 point question 2. 4.26 bar, and here on the number line up to 4 decimal places. So expand it, so up to 4 decimal places. So 2626. Here write up to 4 decimal places. Okay. So it is also like question number first. Okay. So 4.2626. Okay. So after decimal you see 0.2. So this will lie between 4.2 and 4.3. Okay. 4 point means 4 points. Okay. Or you can write. So first write lie between 4 and 5. Clear? So 4 and 5, so distance between them 1, divide in 10 equal parts, so 1 part will be 0.1. So 4.2 first, after decimal first digit, that is 2. So this 1 part, this 2 part, this will be 4.2. After that also some digits, so more than 4.2, so 4.2 and 4.3. Okay. Okay. So here 4.2 and 4.3. So distance between them you find it. So 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 10, so 0.01. Okay. Means distance between 4.2 and 4.3 will be 0.1. So that divide in 10 equal parts. Okay. So second digit 6. So one part that will be 0.01 is 4.212223242526. After that also digit. So their next number will be 4.27. Clear? So here write 4.26 and 4.27. So find distance between them. So 0.01. So 0.01 divided by 10, so 0.001. Okay, means one part that will be 0.001. So 26, then third digit 2. So this 4.261, this 4.262, and after that also digit, so lie between 4.262 and 4.263. Okay. Then after decimal, how many digits? 4 digits. So in 4 steps. Okay. So this last step is 4.262 and here 4.263. Okay. So divide this distance. First find distance between them. So minus 4.262. So 0.001. 1 minute. Okay. And this divide in 10 equal parts, so 0.0001. Okay. So last digit 6. So divide in 10 equal parts, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So one part 0.0001. So this 2621, 2622 like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be 4.2626. Okay. Clear? So now 2 exercises remaining. Okay. So those I will discuss in next video. Okay. Thank you.